Hey, what's up guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to convert your nickel cadmium batteries into lithium ion batteries. The backup time of these nickel cadmium batteries is not good. So now I am going to convert these nickel cadmium batteries into lithium ion batteries. As you can see, I have salvaged them from old laptop battery. Each of cells gives 3.5 volt and the output of this battery is 14.4 volt. So I'm going to use these lithium ion batteries in series to get 14.4 volts. So I'm going to use them instead of nickel cadmium batteries. So guys, let me show you that I have charged this battery for an hour, but the backup time is not good, and I think the cells are dead. So let me show you. As you can see, not working, not enough power to tight this screw. It has not enough power, and I have charged this battery for an hour, but the backup time is not good. So now let's convert this into lithium ion batteries to get more power. So guys, here as you can see, I have connected these 4 cells in series to get 14 volt. Let me show you. As you can see, it's giving around 14.1 volt. So guys, these are the 3 wires that I'm going to connect to this BMS. It's a 4S BMS battery management system to individually charge and for the protection of these lithium ion cells. I will leave a link in the description, and the circuit diagram will show up on the screen, so you will have to follow that circuit diagram. So guys, as you can see, I have connected the wire according to the circuit diagram, and I have also connected the positive and negative wire. As you can see here, let me show you. As you can see that this is the plus and this one is minus. So this goes like this. So this side is positive and this is negative, and then you will have to connect this to this P plus and P minus, red to P plus and black to P minus. So let me solder this. So guys, as you can see, it's working fine. And our nickel cadmium batteries are here and it's working fine. So now let's test it. So guys, as you can see, the screw is stripped and it is good. It's had a power. Guys, as you saw, so guys, as you can see, now it's better than before and it's working. It has a power. So guys, as you saw, it's now more powerful than before. So guys, as you can see, it's working fine and now it's more powerful than before. And we have converted the nickel cadmium batteries into lithium ion batteries. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.